There is one mental skill that separates consistent traders from those who keep repeating the same mistakes, and it has nothing to do with strategy, indicators, or market conditions. Most FTMO failures don't start with a bad system. They start at the exact moment a trader emotionally reacts to a perfectly normal market situation. My name is Jana, and I'm a performance coach here at FTMO. In today's video, I'll show you one mental skill professional traders use to stay consistent and how you can apply it directly to your own trading. Let's be honest. Trading challenges your mindset just as much as your technical skills. The ups and downs, uncertainty, and constant decision-making naturally triggers strong emotions. The difference between an impulsive trader and a resilient one is not talent or intelligence, it's emotional regulation, the ability to influence how you respond when emotions show up. And this is where most traders lose consistency, not because they feel emotions, but because they react to them in the moment. This is where mental reframing comes in. Mental reframing is the skill of changing how you interpret a trading situation so it changes its emotional impact. The market situation stays the same. What changes is the story you tell yourself about it. Instead of reacting emotionally, reframing allows you to respond with clarity, structure, and control. It's not about ignoring reality or forcing positive thinking. It's about choosing a narrative that protects your discipline and your psychological capital. Let's make this practical. Imagine you hit a stop loss. Your automatic thought might be, I failed, I should have known better. Reframing sounds like this. I followed my plan, I protected my capital, and that's exactly what I was supposed to do. You didn't fail, you executed discipline. Or take a losing streak. Instead of, I've lost my edge, I should quit, try. Drawdowns are part of the process. It's a moment to review my execution, not abandon it. One shift in interpretation can prevent frustration, revenge trading, and rule breaking. Mental reframing is not a one-time fix. It's a skill that you build through repetition and awareness. Start with a pause. When emotions rise, take 10 seconds and ask, is this emotion helping or hurting my next decision? And what's another way to interpret the situation? Use journaling. After each session, write down what emotion appeared and how you could reframe it next time. Change your inner dialogue. Replace self-blame with curiosity. From I made a mistake to what can I learn from this execution? And review weekly. Not just your P&L, but your mental performance. Mental reframing won't change the market, but it will radically change how you respond to it. Over time, this skill reduces impulsive reactions. It sharpens focus and it supports consistent decision-making. You don't need to control the market, you need to control your response to it. And mental reframing is one of the most powerful psychological tools to help you do exactly that. The next time a trade doesn't go your way, pause for 10 seconds and reframe the story you're telling yourself. That small moment of awareness is often the difference between passing the FTMO challenge and failing it emotionally. Let me know in the comments below when reframing helped you stay disciplined.